Namaste everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to do Baddha Padmasana, which looks like this. This posture. Some of the students, they ask me this question again and again. They can do Lotus Pose, but they cannot catch their toes. I'm teaching this posture in based of Ashtanga Yoga practice. So the first thing, you should able to do Lotus Pose. Now the question is, after doing Lotus Pose, why you cannot catch your toes? So for understanding, I'm using these two as a points. So look at my knees. So my knees right now is this much wide. Now from here, if I try to catch my toe, maybe one side I can catch, but other side is difficult. Now I bring my knees close to each other, so my toe will go a little more back, so it will be a little more accessible for me to catch the toe. So see what I'm doing? I'm flexing my foot, my knee is moving in, and my foot, my toes is a little more back. So from here it will be a little more easier for me to reach and catch my toe like that. So see, when your knees is wide, your toes is little far away from the hand, so it's difficult to catch. Now what I want, you notice one thing in your practice. So for example, when I do my Baddha Padmasana, my knee work here, so I'm using this one as a point. Okay, so what are you gonna do? So I want my knees here, and this is the center midline. Now see, many students, what they do, many students, they catch the toe like this. Look at my knee moving this way, and they do posture like that. They say, we can touch the knee down, we can catch the toe, and we can touch the head to the knee. Why we cannot do Baddha Padmasana? Now I want my knee here in this point. What am I gonna do? So remember what your teacher say, after catching your toe, your teacher say balance your two hips, or they say after catch your foot or their toe, spread the toe or flex the foot. So either you balance your hip, either you flex the foot, you're doing the same action. I'm going to show you. Look at my foot. Now as I flex my foot, my right ankle, look at my knee is coming forward, right? Now you see, right now my hip is not balanced. My right hip back, left hip front. So simple flex the foot, it pulls the knee forward, your hips become more balanced. So next time when you practice this posture, the first thing, don't touch your toe, just like this. Hold your toe proper, try to catch your foot. Then after that, by flexing your foot, push the heel toward the hip bone, knee is coming forward this way. Do not just press your knee down, let it come up. Okay, first you just sense your hip. It will build your strength, not just only flexibility. Okay, try to build the strength and flexibility both. So just stay here for 45 seconds or 20 seconds, is up to you. Then do the same thing from this side. So do not just bend forward. Keep your chest up and flex the foot. Push the heel toward the hip as you flex the foot. And then paying attention toward the chest, try keep your chest parallel to each other as possible you can. And here one more thing is going on. Pay attention toward your shoulders. So if you see from this side, your shoulder is moving in toward the spine and down toward your hip. Must pay attention toward this action, shoulder moving in and down toward the hip. Must you make this habit, because you're doing the same thing from both sides in this posture. Baddha Padmasana. Your shoulder blade is moving in toward the spine and down toward the hip. That's why you can reach. This way. If I show you from behind, so you can see this shoulder blade moving in and down, then this one in and down. Then after that, once you feel comfortable with this position, then you can go for the next posture, which is Yoga Mudrasana. I hope you understand how to practice, how to approach this posture. Remember one more thing, when you do this posture, when you bring your knees close to each other, there will be little stress on your knee. That's completely fine. But if you feel kind of sharp pain, please do not push. Just come back and figure it out how to approach this posture. Okay? Do not hurt yourself. I hope this video will help you. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time. Namaste.